Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to slow down a video using CapCut while maintaining high-quality slow-motion playback. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and select the video you want to slow down. Once you're done, tap Done. Now, in the editing interface, click on the video and navigate to the speed option below. Click on Normal. In a speed settings, choose 0.2 to slow down your video. You'll notice a significant reduction in speed. For better quality, tap Normal again. Underneath, select Better Quality. This ensures a smoother slow motion process. Wait for CapCut to process the changes. And that's it. Your video is now slowed down to 0.2 with improved quality. And there you have it, a simple way to create high-quality slow-motion videos in CapCut. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!